Hello guys, welcome to my video on AI in civil engineering. In my previous video, we discussed about how AI is changing civil engineering sites and what are the important AI tools that civil engineer must know about. If you guys haven't watched those videos, you are requested to watch those videos. Those videos will give you competitive advantage over your competitors and help you excel in your field. Okay, in this video we are going to answer that, is AI going to replace civil engineers? So guys, no, AI cannot completely replace civil engineers, but it will change how they work. Okay, now before we dive deep and discuss that what AI can do and what AI cannot do. Okay, as I have discussed that AI cannot replace completely. Here are some jobs which AI can do and which AI cannot do. We will discuss in detail these jobs. But before we start our today's topic, if you are new to my channel, you are requested to please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get video updates. So let's get started. First of all, what AI can do in civil engineering. So the first one is analyze large amount of data quickly and process huge project data. It find patterns and insights in seconds. Okay, it will reduce the cost, reduce the time. Okay, and the second one is predict project delays, analyze schedules, resources and risk, and predict potential delays early. The third work which AI can do in civil engineering is generate reports and documentation. It creates reports automatically, save time and reduce errors. The fourth work which AI can do in civil engineering is optimize schedules and costs. It finds best schedule, okay, optimize resources and reduce costs. The fifth work which AI can do is detect defects from images and videos. In my previous video, we discussed how AI is changing the site works. We discussed different types of techniques and technologies which can be used to detect the cracks and defects in construction. Okay, so use AIVN to detect cracks and defects and safety issues. It improves quality and safety. Okay, the sixth one is assistant design calculation. It perform complex calculations, check accuracy, suggest better design options. So guys, AI plus engineer build a smarter future. Okay, so these were the few work which AI can do in civil engineering. Now let us discuss that what are the works that AI cannot do in civil engineering. As I have discussed that engineers cannot be replaced completely. Okay, AI support engineers, but human expertise leads the way. Okay, so here are the few works which AI cannot do. The first one is make complex engineering judgments. It requires deep knowledge, experience and understanding of multiple factors which AI cannot do. Okay, the second work is handle unexpected site conditions. Real world sites are dynamic and unpredictable. Humans adapt better. The third work which AI cannot do is negotiate with clients and contractors. It requires communication skills, empathy, trust, and relationship building. The fourth work which AI cannot do is lead construction teams, leadership. Okay, leadership, motivation, and human management need emotional intelligence which AI do not have. Okay, the fifth work which AI cannot do is take legal responsibility for designs. AI cannot be held legally accountable for decisions or design failures. The sixth but not the least, the work which AI cannot do is apply practical field experience and intuition. Years of experience and intuition help in making better on-site decisions. So AI is the tool. Engineers are the decision makers, and together we build a better future. So these were the few works which AI can do and AI cannot do. Okay, so the point is AI is a powerful assistant, but not a replacement for human engineers. So guys, that's all for today. For similar engineering related videos, you are requested to please subscribe to it, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. That's all for today.